Right now, if I game playing thing of depend, I call Batman, right blood clot now. Hear that? That you depend. A good Babylon, bad Babylon routine. Tell me. Now worry yourself, man. Aye! Yo! Dog! So dog, you know you can't lick man son dead. How you want to bust up man head, dog? Bumbo clot! How are you do?
You wanted me. Here I am.
I didn't know it, that must blood clot fly. And you never disappoint me. You make 5 people dead. Then you make them take your place. Even if you're a dog like me that cool.
Where's Dent?
The man them say if you're dead, so you can get back to where things bros. Me don't know the truth. There's no going back. You change things. But oh yeah.
Then why do you want to kill me?
Dog, me don't want to kill you. Dog, what me do without your dog? Kill poor people? No. Dog. You're completely me clown.
You're garbage. You kills for money.
Stop chat like Babylon. Even if you want ton one. To them, you're just a shatter. Like me. Rugrat. Dog, them need you right now. But it's one time them don't. Them will cast you out like a bad rubbish. You see them game where them play and them morals where them use and trick people, you just have to play right into it. And drop you as them feel say you're trouble. And them Babylon boys only hype as how people make them feel like hype. Me I go show you. Cause one time man will step on crime with no dog. Then can't do nothing to stop that, you know. Watch.